Hi there. How are you today? Oh, I'm great. Thanks for asking. The weather is fantastic today. In today's video, I want to show you a really cool tool for language learning called YouGlish. It's a combination of YouTube and English. It works for a bunch of other languages too, but it started out as a tool for English. In essence, it just searches YouTube videos for a word or phrase and then shows you the exact moment in different videos where people say that word. Why, though? One of the things that makes human language amazing is that the sounds we use and produce are incredibly complex and varied, but we use them to mean things. I'm moving the air out of my mouth in a way that you can interpret as meaning. That's really cool. And listening to how native speakers produce these sounds and words is very important and helpful for learning a new language. I've found YouGlish to be one of the best options for listening to new words in lots of different contexts from different speakers, because no matter the language, not everybody speaks the same, and in fact, most people speak quite differently. Let's look at an example. Recently, some people on the Refold team were making fun of me for the way that I say both. And so to prove that it's an actual pronunciation that people used, I went onto YouGlish. It's not the most common pronunciation, but I was able to find a few good examples to prove that I'm not crazy. Comment below if you also say both. We can be both buddies. But YouGlish is also useful for learning a foreign language. Let's say you're watching a video in German and you come across a new word that you can't really hear super well. Or maybe you're reading and you want to hear how a new word is pronounced. Head over to youglish.com, select your language, and then bookmark the page, that's the trick, and search your word. Then click on the little arrow a few times to hear it said by different people. And then once you're satisfied, go back to your immersion material. And that's it. It really embodies the simple yet powerful perspective on tools. Another super awesome feature is that you can search for word pairs or short phrases. It's searching through a limited set of data, but you can certainly find common phrases or word pairs. For example, let's say you're learning Spanish and you want to learn how people say para qué. Well, now you have over 200,000 examples. Anyway, I hope this video was of some use to you, and if it was, be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you again next week, and as always, happy immersing.